Hi guys, our topic for today is about central angles and inscribed angles. Let us define central angles. Central angles is an angle whose vertex is at the center of the circle. Any central angle intercepts the circle at 2 points, thus defining an intercepted arc. Let's have an example. Consider circle A. Let us determine in the circle A what are the central angles and its intercepted arc. Let us name all the central angles. We have angle BAC, angle CAD, and angle BAD. That's are the central angles that you can see in the given figure. Now, let's name the intercepted arc. The intercepted arc, this is the arc that formed by the angles, by the central angles. Okay? If this is an angle BAC, then this is the arc that formed by angle BAC. So, what arc is it? So, we have arc BC. Arc BC. Next, we have angle CAD. So, the arc formed by CAD is this arc. So, we have arc CD. As you observe, when you are going to find the intercepted arc of the central angles, nawawala lang po si vertex, yung kanyang gitna. So, therefore, if we have angle BAD, therefore, its intercepted arc is arc BD. Okay? Next, we have what you call central angle intercepted arc postulate. It says that the measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. Take note, central angle is equal to its intercepted arc. Consider again this figure, circle A. We have a given of angle BAC is equals to 80 degree. So this one is 80 degree, the angle. Then arc CD is equals to 45 degree. Let us find the other measurement of the following angles and intercepted arc. So it says that BAC is equals to 80 degrees. Then, how about its intercepted arc? Again, in central angle intercepted arc postulate, central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. Therefore, arc BC is also 80 degrees. So, therefore, this one is 80 degrees. Next, we have arc CD. Arc CD is 45 degrees. Therefore, what's the measurement of angle CAD? Alright, it is also 45 degrees. By using, again, central angle intercepted arc postulate. This is 45 degrees. Okay, next. What is the measurement of angle BAD? BAD. How will you find BAD? So, this time, you are going to add 80 plus 45 for us to find the angle BAD. Now, what is 80 plus 45 degrees? So, the answer is 125 degrees. If BAD is 125 degrees, therefore, arc BD is also 125 degrees. Let's move with arc addition postulate. It says that the measure of an arc formed by two adjacent, non-overlapping arcs is the sum of the measures of the two arcs. Let's have an example. Consider the circle A. We have a given of arc BAC is equal to 80 degrees. Therefore, the intercepted arc is also 80 degrees. We have arc CD, which is 45 degrees here, and then arc FB is 50 degrees. We are going to find for the measure of FC, FCD, BED, and FED. Okay, take note class, if the given has letter M on the side or arc measure arc CD, your answer should have no degree sign. Yan. We have measure of arc CD is equals to 45. Kapag naman po arc CD lang ang hinahanap at walang measurement, we have 45 degrees. Is it clear? So, since ang ating hinahanap ay may measure or letter M dun sa kanyang side, therefore, your answer here ay wala na pong degree sign. Is it clear? Okay, now let us answer arc FC. Measure of arc FC. If we need to find for the measure of arc FC, this one. Yan. So, we need to add the measurement of FB and BC. So, we have 50 plus 80. The answer here is 130 degrees. Sorry, wala na palang degree. Next tayo, measure of arc FCD. We have a measure of arc FCD. So, we are going to add all those arcs na nakapaloob kay FCD. So, we have 50 plus 80 plus 45. So, what's the answer? We have 175. That is the measurement of arc FCD. How about the measurement of arc BED? We have here BED. But we didn't know what's the measurement of FED. So, what you are going to do? So, since arc BED at ang isang circle po is always 360 degrees, kailangan makuha natin to. Yan, itong side na to. Yung meron side na to, we have 80 and 45. Ang isang buo ulit is 360. So, therefore, you have 360, then you will subtract the measurement na meron ka dito sa kabilang side, which is 80 plus 45, that is 125. Then, solve. We have 360. Bakit 360? Kasi isang buong circle. Then, ang ating kukuhanin lang ay itong kay BED. Meron na tong kabilang side, yun yung isusubtract natin kay 360 degrees. Did you get it? Let us subtract. 360 minus 125, the answer is 235. So, measure of arc BED is 235. Now, next, measure of arc FED. FED, ito daw, itong arc na to. So, since ang BED, itong BED na to ay 235, then meron na ditong FB. Ito, tatanggalin natin to para makuha natin si FED. So, subtract lang natin. So, you have 235 minus 50. Ito yan, diba? So, FED lang ang kukuhanin natin. So, ibabawas natin si 50 degrees. Is it clear? Therefore, 235 minus 50, we have 185. Okay? So, si FED is 185 degrees. Okay? So, that is arc addition postulate. So, kailangan lang po tandaan that a circle is always 360 degrees. Next, congruent circles. These are circles with two congruent radii. It involves two circles. Congruent arcs. Arcs would have the same measure or arcs with the same measurement. That is what you call congruent arcs. Let's have an example. We have a given here of circle H. And this one, we have circle I. As you can see here, we have a radius. In circle A, we have a radius of line segment SH, which is equal to 3. And then here, we have a radius of line segment IR, which is also equal to 3. Since they are both equal to 3, therefore, C circle H is equal or congruent to circle I. Ayan. So, that is what you call congruent circles. The radii to both circles are just the same. Okay? Let's have example of congruent arcs. We have a given here of circle H and circle I. Let us have first circle H. It says that we have here a given of SHI, which is 60 degrees, and then an arc here, which is arc LR, which is also 60 degrees. According to congruent arcs, arcs would have the same measurement. So, since this one is a central angle, therefore, this arc is also 60 degrees. Okay? Then, since this one is an arc of 60 degrees, therefore, this central angle is also 60 degrees. And take note, class, kapag siya po ay nagkaroon ng vertical angles like this one is what you call a vertical angles. They are always equal or the same. Okay? Then, this one is a straight line. Kung ito ay straight line, para makuha mo yung kabilang side niya, a straight line is also always 180 degrees. So, meron ka ng 60, para makuha mo yung kabilang side, subtract mo lang siya sa 180. That is 120 degrees. And this one, vertical ulit ito, therefore, 120 degrees din ito. So, since ito ay central angle, this arc is also 120 and this one is also 120 degrees. Ganun lang kumuha ng mga arcs and angles. Kapag ang given mo is a central angles or we have a vertical angles. Is it clear? Next tayo. We have this one. This one, wala ka ditong vertical angles. Kung makikita mo, hindi naman siya nagkaroon na create ng cross talaga na linya or a straight line. Kasi dito sa kabilang side, dumaan siya sa diameter eh. This one, wala. Wala kang diameter dito, puro radius lang. So, since this one is 70 degrees, therefore, OR is also 70 degrees. And then, RQP is 70, therefore, angle QIP, this one is also 70 degrees. So, ang tinatawag nating congruent arcs here is si OR at saka si QP. Okay? That is congruent arcs. Let's move with theorems on arcs, chords, and central angles. It says that if two central angles are congruent, then the corresponding minor arc are also congruent. And if two central angles are congruent, then the corresponding chords are also congruent. Let us have an example. Let us consider again circle H and circle I here. So, nagdagdag lang ako ng chord. Okay, sabi doon sa kanina, sabi niya, if two central angles are congruent, then the corresponding minor arc are also congruent. So, therefore, if we have a central angle here, and then this is the corresponding arc, they are also congruent. So, meaning, si angle SHI is congruent to angle we have RHL. Ayan. Then, ang corresponding arc ni SHI ay si arc SI. This one is congruent to arc LR or RL. Ayan. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng unang theorem. Yun sa pangalawang theorem naman, sabi niya, if two central angles are congruent, then the corresponding chords are also congruent. So, naglagay ako dito ng chord dun sa same central angles here. So, dito, we have a chord here. Ang measurement niya ay 3. So, since nasa central angle siya at parehas yung kanyang sukat, therefore, yung measurement dito nitong chord SI is also 3. Meaning, si line segment SI is congruent to line segment LR. Yun yan. Okay? So, this one. Next tayo. We have dito circle I. Sabi dito, this measurement is 4. And the central angles are congruent. Therefore, the missing chord here is also 4. Okay? So, COR is congruent to line segment QP. They have the same measurement. Is it clear? Let's have this figure. We have a given of PQ, or arc PQ is 2x minus 10, and arc QR is equals to x plus 40. Let us find x, arc PQ, and arc QR. It says that, sabi kanina, if we have congruent central angles, therefore, yung arc niya rin is also congruent. So, since this one is 90, at ito po ay semicircle, therefore, ito ay 90 din. 90 degrees din to. Ito ay 90 degrees din. Ayan. So, for us to solve for x, they are equal. So, therefore, 2x minus 10 is equal to x plus 40. Then, transposition lang to solve for x. So, you have 2x, lipat mo yung x to the other side, becomes minus x, just change the sign. Then, copy 40 here, then si 10 naman lipat mo sa kabilang side, it becomes plus 10. So, 2x minus x, we have here x is equal to 50. So, this is your x. Now, we are going to substitute that. Kailangan ang maging sagot niya is 90. We have arc PQ is equal to 2x minus 10. So, we have 2 times 50 minus 10. So, 2 times 50, we have here 100 minus 10. The answer is 90. Okay, 90 degrees. Is it clear? Next, yung isa din, we have arc QR. Si RQR ay equal siya kay x plus 40. So, we have here 50 plus 40. The answer here is 90 degrees. Is it clear? Gumamit ako ng degree sign kasi wala naman akong letter M. Pero kung may letter M ako dyan, pwede na akong hindi gumamit ng degree sign. Okay? Let's move with inscribed angles. So, inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex lies on the circle and whose sides contain chords of the circle. So, meron tayong tatlong cases of inscribed angles. Let's have case 1. In our case 1, as you can see, the inscribed angle lies on the center. Yung one side na inscribed angle ay pumasok dun kay center mismo. That is case 1. In case 2, the center is interior. Ibig sabihin, nakapaloob si center dun sa inscribed angle. And in case 3, the center is exterior. Meaning, yung inscribed angle ay nasa labas naman ni center. Okay, that is the 3 cases. Okay, now, let us find the inscribed angle in case 1. In case 1, the inscribed angle here is angle BAC. Okay. And what is the intercepted arc of angle BAC? The intercepted arc here is arc BC. Okay? Next tayo. This one. We have here the circle. What is the intercepted arc in case 2? We have the inscribed angle, we have angle EDF. That is the inscribed angle. And its intercepted arc is arc, we have EF. Next, let us have the case 3. In case 3, ang ating inscribed angle here is HGI. And its intercepted arc is arc HI. Okay, so, ganun lang kadali kumuha ng inscribed angle and intercepted arc. Inscribed angles theorem. Inscribed angles theorem, it says that the measure of an inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 of the measure of its intercepted arc. Since it is 1/2 the measure of intercepted arc, meaning mas malaki si intercepted arc kesa kay inscribed angle. Okay? Si inscribed ay kalahati lamang po ni intercepted arc. Okay? Let's go back again with this figure. So, naglagay ako ng measurement na. Okay? We have here, si angle BAC daw po is 40 degrees. Angle BAC is 40 degrees. Now, let us find the measure of its intercepted arc. So, since kalahati lang dapat siya ni intercepted arc, therefore, si 40, multiply mo lang by 2. So, 40 times 2, the answer here is 80 degrees. So, therefore, arc BC is 80 degrees. Is it clear? Next tayo, angle EDF. Ang given natin ay si arc EF. Si arc EF daw po is 100 degrees. Therefore, what's the measurement of angle EDF? Anong kalahati naman ni 100? The answer now is 50 degrees. Ganun lang po kasimple si inscribed at saka si intercepted arc. Next, this one. Si angle HGI daw po is 30 degrees. Okay, now what's the measurement of HI? So, multiply it by 2, the answer is 60 degrees. So, HI is equals to 60 degrees. Is it clear? Let's have another example. Consider circle O here. Okay, we have a given of measure of angle PQT is 80. Si PQT daw po is 80 degrees. Okay, so dito, hinla ng degree kasi may measurement naman. Then, measure of angle ST, arc ST is equals to 30 degrees. We are going to find for the arc PT and measure of angle of PRS. Tingnan nyo po So, since this one is an inscribed angle, PQT is an inscribed, etong nabuo niyang arc, ang kanyang intercepted arc, therefore, is twice ng kanyang inscribed angle. So, 80 times 2, this is 160 degrees. Okay? So, bago kayo magsagot dito muna kayo. I-analyze nyo muna yung circle. Next tayo. Dito tayo, 30 degrees. Ito, si ST daw. Ito daw pong si ST. So, let us analyze kung paano natin makukuha si PRS. As you can see, guys, si PRS ay inscribed angle, then ang kanyang intercepted arc, etong buo na to na si PS. Okay? So, si PT raw ay 160, then si TS ay 30, therefore, ilan ngayon si PS? So, kung mapapansin mo, si PS ay magiging na siyang 160 plus 30. The answer is 190 degrees. Did you get it? So, gumamit naman tayo ng arc addition postulate dyan. Okay. So, nakuha na natin yung kanyang intercepted arc. Therefore, let us find the inscribed angle by divide 190 into 2. The answer is 95 degrees. 95 degrees. So, arc PS is 190. When you divide it into 2, the answer is 95 degrees. This is now your angle PRS. Is it clear? So, 95 degrees. Yan. So, measure of angle arc PT is equal to 160, and measure of angle PRS is equal to 95. Okay? In inscribed angle, meron tayong mga tinatawag na corollary. So, tatlo ito. We have the first corollary. Si corollary, these are the consequences in different theorems of inscribed angle. So, the first corollary, we have an angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. What is it? Okay. Example here, we have here a circle P. Si circle P. So, in this circle, as you can see, na meron tayong inscribed angle na si angle ORQ. And it inscribed in the semicircle. Bakit semicircle? Okay, dumaan siya dun sa diameter. Ang diameter natin ay si OQ. So, therefore, ang kanya pong intercepted arc ay si arc OQ, which is a semicircle. Kalahati siya ni circle. Okay, si OQ. So, dito, since this one is 180, kalahati ni circle, therefore, yung kanyang inscribed angle na tinapatan niya, this one, is a 90 degrees. Kaya po siya sinasabi na an angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. Is it clear? Corollary 2. If two angles intercept the same arcs, then the angles are congruent. Example. We have here circle C. As you can see, we have two intercepted arc here. We have we have inscribed angle here, which is BAD, and angle BED. As you can see, guys, ang kanyang intercepted arc dito ay si arc BD. Same with this one, we have arc BD. Therefore, parehas yung kanyang intercepted arc. Parehas din yung kanyang sukat. Okay? So, since this one, we have angle BAD, which is the inscribed angle, is 40 degrees. Therefore, yung kanyang intercepted arc ay twice, we have 80 degrees. So, since 80 degrees ito, so the measurement of this angle, which is BED, is half nito, which is 40 degrees. Okay? So, parehas sila ng sukat, parehas din sila ng intercepted arc. That is corollary 2. Let's move with corollary 3. Corollary 3. Opposite angles of an inscribed quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary meaning, if you add the two angles, it should be equal to 180 degrees. Let's have an example. Consider this circle. We have circle P. We have a given of ZXW. ZXW is 80 degrees and arc XZY is 170 degrees. Let us find the following. We have angle W, angle Y, angle Z, arc WYZ, and arc XWY. Kompletuhin muna natin lahat ng kanyang measurement para makita natin. So, we have here 170 itong si arc na to, itong arc XYZ. Ang kanyang inscribed angle ay ito, si angle XWY o si angle W. So, we have 170. Anong kalahati ngayon ni 170? The answer here is 85 degrees. So, let us write here 85 degrees. Next, sabi niya, doon sa kanyang corollary, ang kanya raw pong ang inscribed angle with a quadrilateral are supplementary, yung kanyang opposite angles. Ano ba yung opposite ni X? Ang opposite niya ay si Y. Okay? So, since they are opposite, supplementary, so, ang supplementary angles is 180 degrees. So, 180 minus 80, the answer here is 100 degrees. And then, this one is supplementary here. Therefore, si 180 minus mo ulit kay 85 degrees, the answer here is 95 degrees. Okay? Then, when you add it all, ang sagot dyan po ay 360. Since kompleto na, we can now write the answer. So, si angle W, we have 85 degrees. Si angle Y, we have 100 degrees. And si angle Z is 95 degrees. Now, let us find arc WYZ. Si WYZ, ang kanyang intercepted arc ay ito. So, therefore, si WYZ is multiplied by 2. The answer is 160 degrees. Next, we have XWY. XWY. So, si XWY, ang kanya pong inscribed angle, ito, si 95 degrees. So, 95 degrees, imumultiply mo naman siya by 2. Twice naman siya. So, the answer for XWY is 95 times 2, we have 190 degrees. Is it clear? Let's have our last example for this session. We have circle O. We have a given here of the arc EF is 100 degrees, FG is 90 degrees, GD is 65 degrees, and DE is 105 degrees. We're going to find for the measurement of angle DE, F, and G. Okay. So, we have here, find the inscribed. So, kompletuhin muna natin dito. So, ang inscribed ni EDG ay si EG, this angle. So, you will add 100 plus 90. So, for us to find CEG, add 100 plus 90. Ang sagot natin dyan is 190 degrees. That is EG. So, for us to find angle D, ito, yung angle D, which is naka-inscribe. Ito yung inscribed niya. Ang intercepted niya ay CEG. We are going to find for the half of 190 degrees. So, 190 divided by 2, the answer is 95 degrees. So, this is 95 degrees. Okay? Next tayo. We have this one. Let us have this one. We have E. We have 90 plus 65. So, si angle E, ang kanya naman pong intercepted arc ay si FD, which is we are going to add 90 plus 65. So, si FG, arc FD is 90 plus 65. So, 90 plus 65, the answer is 155 degrees. Then, for us to find angle E, so 155 divide mo by 2. We have 77.5 degrees. So, ito yung angle, 77.5 degrees. Ayan. Next tayo. So, apply naman ulit natin si corollary 3. Since quadrilateral siya, pwede natin siyang i-apply. So, supplement siya. So, divide natin siya since si angle E and angle G are supplementary, so subtract naman natin si 180 minus 77.5. Again, we have 180 minus 77.5. The answer here is 102.5 degrees. Okay? Then, this one, ito rin ay same siya ng kalahati. Siya ay supplementary. Sorry, siya naman ay supplementary. Therefore, 180 minus 95 degrees is, we have 85 degrees. Ayan. Since may sagot na tayo lahat, we can now write our answer. Si angle D, we have 95. Si angle E, we have 77.5. Si angle F, we have 85. And then, si angle G, we have 102.5 degrees. Wala na palang degrees. So, that's all. So, that's all for today. So, hope you understand what is a central angle and inscribed angle. Okay, bye-bye!